Hi everyone, JV here from justveryrandom.com. It has been ages since my last video upload, so I had to make sure that when I upload a video it would be very big. So by big, I mean this. So I'll be unboxing this big box over here. So this is the Voltes 5 DX Soul of Chogokin figure from Bandai. I'd like to thank our friends from BaitToysOnline.com for sending me this package. I'll be doing a review as well in my website, so make sure to check it out at justveryrandom.com. So without further ado, let's start! Just to show you how big the box is, so I have two Soul of Chogokin figures to compare it with. So first would be this, the Daizujin one, which is the Megazord one. So compared to this big box, it's only, almost half of the box. Okay, another one to compare it with would be the Gaogegar figure, again from Soul of Chogokin, again from Bandai. So as you can see, it's almost the same size as a Daizujin one, but the Voltes 5 box is still bigger. So it's that massive. Now it's time to unbox the DX Soul of Chogokin Voltes 5 figure. The set comprises of 5 major parts: the styro box, which houses the main figure, the set with interchangeable hands and post belt or whip, the set with the V effect and some bases, the main Camp Falcon base, and the set of bases. It also includes a pack of batteries that you can put in the figure and base. The figure stands about 14 inches in height and weighs around 96 grams. The figure has a combination of metal die-cast parts and hard PVC or plastic parts. Paint finish is almost glossy to achieve a more robotic or mecha feel. The first mecha is the Volt 1 Cruiser. It has battery compartments for the audio and lights for eyes. You can also lift the cockpit for most mechas, so you can insert the pods. The wheels are also hidden in the compartments. This also acts as the robot's head. Next is the Volt 2 Bomber, which acts as the arms for the Voltes 5 figure. Hands are hidden behind the blue vent, wherein you can pull it out easily. The cockpit can be pulled in and out, similar to how it is in the anime. The Volt 3 Panzer is the main body of the robot. To transform it to the tank mode, you need to carefully separate the wheels and pull out the main arms and twist it on the opposite side. The Panzer also has the arm claws attached on top of its body. Battery compartments are also in this part. The Volt 4 Frigate acts as the legs for the robot. Wheels are also hidden in this part, same as the battery compartments. The last one is the Volt 5 Lander, that can be separated into two, connected by a magnet. Five different colored cockpit pods are also included in the set. You can place it in each of the mechas. The Falcon Mecha, or as we know it, the Mechanical Eagle, is also included in the set, same as the Bosun Army Discus. The main head of the Camp Falcon base is also included. You can also place the cockpit pods here with the help of some holders that are included in the other set. The Camp Falcon base can be assembled easily using the trusses and base included in the set. The main base also has audio clips. When you press into the numbers, make sure to attach the battery on the back of the base. The base can also hold the Voltes 5 V-Effect figure for either the front or the back part. Now let's move on to Voltes 5's weapons. Of course, the famous laser sword is included. It also has the Voltes bazooka that you can attach to the arms. A set of 2 ultramagnetic tops are also included in the set. I did not shoot the whips anymore as they were too many inside the set. Holders for the chain knuckle is also in the set. The 2-finger missiles can also be attached at the robot's wrist. If the batteries are placed and the switches are on, you'll be able to hear 27 different sound effects. This includes the theme song for the Voltes 5 and the famous Let's Volt and Cry. When connecting the mechas together, sounds will also be triggered similar to how it was in the anime. A more detailed review of the DX Soul of Chogokin Voltes 5 figure can be found in my website. Be sure to visit justveryrandom.com. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next video.